The Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer, often just called the D11, is a super powerful machine in the heavy equipment industry. First released in 1986, the D11 was made to handle the rising need for big earth-moving and construction jobs. This huge bulldozer has become a name associated with earth-moving power. Its development over the years has led to great improvements in power, efficiency, and the comfort of the operator. But how did this giant come to be? What were the challenges faced in its development, and how were they overcome? This is the story of an earth-moving legend. The Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer, commonly referred to as the D11, regardless of which version we're discussing, is an iconic and super powerful machine in the world of heavy equipment. Introduced to the market in 1986, the D11 was developed to meet the growing demand for large-scale earth-moving and construction projects. This colossal dozer has since become synonymous with earth-moving prowess, and its evolution over the years has seen remarkable improvements in terms of power efficiency and operator comfort. Planting in California's wet soil was a major challenge. Benjamin Holt, an individual who went his own way, tried to solve this problem. At the time, the mining, building, and shipping industries heavily relied on railways. Holt realized that his company couldn't expand as long as their tractors depended on the ground. He spent years perfecting an entirely new alternative to wheels to get his gigantic tractors moving. Holt had the mechanics take off the back wheels of his 40 HP Holt JR, steam traction engine, and replace them with a set of rails he had developed. Each shoe on the track was made from a 3x4-inch hardwood plank that was attached to a seemingly limitless chain. The mechanism redistributed the load of the machine onto rollers fastened to an auxiliary frame. With this new patent, the tractor's marketability increased, allowing for a wider range of applications. Benjamin Holt nailed down the trackside market. The D11 potentially utilizes a similar but more advanced track system. Benjamin Holt deserves credit for inventing the crawling undercarriage, but he didn't invent the dirt-pushing blade that turned these tractors into dozers. That patent is in the names of a farmer and a draftsman, James Cummings and J. Earl McLeod. These men worked together in 1923 to create a blade that could be mounted to the front of Holt's tractors. Holt Manufacturing and CL Best Tractor Company merged 2 years later to form Caterpillar Tractor Company. Among those are the U-blade, the S-blade, and the SU blade. There were a plethora of vendors peddling tailored blades for Caterpillar track tractors. However, the corporation started making its dozer blades in early 1945. Recent models of this particular dozer have a rear bottom blade angle of 29.3 degrees with respect to the ground. The clearance angle further enhances the grading and loading capabilities of the blade. In comparison to its rivals, the D11 offers numerous benefits. With the D11, the main frame is cast from high-strength steel, providing overall structural support and dampening impact, shock, and bending stresses. Caterpillar uses vision-enabled welding robots to precisely measure the quality of welds. Once the frame is completed, the engine and transmission are attached. Back in the early 80s, the dozer dominating the earth-moving industry was, without a doubt, the Caterpillar D10. Released in the late 1970s by Caterpillar, the D10 became an instant hit on the market. But mining contractors all around the world soon begged for something bigger and more powerful. So in 1986, the Caterpillar D11N was introduced to the market as a replacement for the D10 model. Caterpillar designed this bulldozer to handle the most challenging tasks in the construction, mining, and quarrying industries. It was engineered to move vast amounts of material efficiently, making it an essential tool for large-scale excavation projects across the globe. The D11N had some major improvements over the D10. It includes a bigger track and blade and a longer track by 21 inches. The U-blade was just under 21 feet long and 7 feet high, which increased the blade capacity to 45 cubic yards, aka 34 cubic meters. The D11N weighed 200,417 pounds or 92 metric tons. A 770 horsepower V8 diesel engine powered it. These improvements made it over 10% more productive than the D10 in 1987. In 1987, a hydraulically powered impact ripper was added to the D11N, which raised the weight up to 102 metric tons. This would become known as the D11N impact ripper. The D11N held strong for a decade, but in 1996, Caterpillar introduced the D11R and D11R Carry Dozer at the Las Vegas Mine Expo show. Improvements made to the D11R included fingertip controls and electronic clutch and brakes. The fingertip controls, also called FTC, allowed the D11R to be steered with small fingertip clutches on the left-hand side. The D11R now weighs 104 metric tons. The Carry Dozer version has a special blade with a curvature that allows 57 cubic yards or 43 cubic meters to be pushed. This blade design was introduced by Komatsu on their D575 dozers in 1995 as the Super Dozer version. Once again, the D11R remained a major player on the earth-moving scene for more than a decade until the D11T was introduced back in 2008. The D11T and D11CD were both powered by the CAT C32 engine. The D11R and the D11T differ in the configuration and layout of their operator controls. Several levers have been changed into electronic switches, and several controls have been moved for increased visibility. Another difference is that the D11T has its exhaust mufflers closer to the front of the cab, similar to the D10T. They stand taller than the ones on the D11N or the D11R. A few years ago, Caterpillar introduced a new version of the D11. This time, no letter was changed, and the dozer was named D11. That's it. The specifications between the D11T and the new D11 are minimal, as the dozer may have reached a certain level of perfection, as usually reported by operators all around the world. In the world of bulldozers, the D11 is the heavyweight champion of the ring. The price of this machine is also something you may not know about. As of 2021, the maximum price tag for a D11 was just about $2.9 million. With current inflation, expect to spend more than $3 million for a fully loaded version. Throughout its evolution, the Caterpillar D11 has been at the forefront of innovation in the construction and mining industries. It has consistently set new standards for power efficiency and operator comfort. It is by far one of the most achieved machines out there, and it is reasonable to expect the D11 to remain in CAT's lineup for the foreseeable future. It is a fascinating piece of engineering. The R&D team at Caterpillar has made a lot of improvements in the new D11, some subtle and others more immediate. Evident changes in engine and transmission software and updated componentry, for example, boast fuel savings of up to 8%, which is huge when you're talking about the volumes of fuel consumed in a bolt-push application on a double-shift roster. One key factor in the improved fuel efficiency of the D11 is the load-sensing hydraulics, which improves efficiency and reduces energy loss. Variable displacement piston hydraulic pumps constantly vary their output to meet the needs of the task or operation, meaning less wastage and improved sensitivity when it's needed for finer operations. An overall increase in weight also makes the new D11 more stable and improves traction. The CAT D11 dozer is a powerful machine designed to enhance productivity and reduce costs and dosing operations compared to its previous model. The D11 dozer also employs load-sensing hydraulics that provide more power to the dozer. This increases responsiveness and fuel efficiency, ensuring optimal performance. The dozer integrates advanced technologies, making it a smart machine that enhances operator awareness and productivity by leveraging these features. The CAT D11 dozer aims to maximize the efficiency and productivity of dosing operations while minimizing costs and fuel consumption. With its wide track width of 710 millimeters, the CAT D11 dozer achieves remarkable stability gripping the ground with unyielding force. It confidently marches forward at a travel speed of 11.2 kilometers per hour, plowing through obstacles in its path when the need arises to reverse its colossal might. The CAT D11 dozer shifts into gear, reaching a reverse travel speed of 14.7 kilometers per hour, showcasing its versatility and agility. The CAT C32 engine manufactured by Caterpillar is a testament to their commitment to excellence. In the realm of colossal earth-moving machines, the CAT D11 dozer stands as a true titan, ready to reshape the land with its immense power and capabilities. At the core of this behemoth flies the legendary CAT C32 engine, a force to be reckoned with. With its unrivaled power, immense weight, and meticulous engineering, it stands ready to reshape the land and conquer any challenge that lies ahead, whether on the vast expanses of a construction site or the rugged terrain of a mining operation. The CAT D11 dozer is a true force of nature, a testament to human ingenuity at the pinnacle of modern engineering. Now that we've explored the incredible journey of the Caterpillar D11 bulldozer, let's delve into the fascinating realm of its creation. Join us as we uncover the making of a beast Caterpillar dozer manufacturing process. where every bolt, every weld, and every innovation come together to give birth to this colossal force of nature. The Caterpillar Dozer is a strong machine that can handle the hardest landscapes without losing its grip. These huge machines are made by Caterpillar Inc.
But have you ever wondered what it takes to forge a colossal powerhouse capable of moving mountains with ease? What innovations and cutting-edge technologies are integrated into the manufacturing process to enhance the dozer's efficiency and durability, ensuring it triumphs over the most challenging terrains? Well, stick around because this behind-the-scenes look at how Caterpillar makes those huge dozers will blow your mind. Let's find out. Few things are as instantly recognizable on a construction site as the vibrant yellow heavy machinery. This is produced by none other than Caterpillar Inc. Caterpillar Inc. is a global leader in producing heavy equipment that encompasses a wide range of earth-moving, construction, and mining machinery. These machines are synonymous with durability, performance, and the ability to tackle the toughest of tasks with ease. From their iconic bulldozers that effortlessly move massive mounds of earth to their versatile excavators that dig deep into the ground, Caterpillar's yellow equipment has become an integral part of construction projects worldwide. Whether it's the unmistakable hum of their engines or the precision of their movements, these machines have earned a reputation for being the backbone of major construction endeavors, symbolizing reliability and strength in the industry. With a legacy spanning decades, their products are not just machinery, but a testament to the evolution of modern construction practices. Now, let's take a closer look at how Caterpillar makes their small dozers in their Athens factory. This factory is out in Georgia, not far from Atlanta. Now, the whole process of making these small dozers begins with welding the main body of the machine. The factory covers a massive 250-acre area with 3 buildings that add up to 850,000 square feet. Inside these buildings, workers put together different sizes of small bulldozers. They use all sorts of methods like tack welding and robots to make sure everything's put together just right. They've got high-tech machines to do precision work, a fancy paint system, and they carefully put all the parts together in a modular way. It's like a well-organized assembly line where they make sure everything is top-notch quality. The Caterpillar D4K track-type tractor is a real star here. It's designed to provide top-notch performance and comfort while also keeping operating costs low. The spacious cab inside is comfy, and the controls are user-friendly, making the job easier and more accurate. One impressive innovation is the System 1 undercarriage, which reduces the time and money spent on maintenance. It's a real game-changer for the industry. Plus, they use IQ-grade laser and GPS systems to make the grading process faster and more efficient.
The blades of the Caterpillar D11 are crafted from high-tensile steel, ensuring exceptional strength and durability for demanding earth-moving tasks. These blades are versatile, suitable for precise grading operations, as well as the efficient transfer of materials across gentle slopes and short distances. Caterpillar offers 4 distinct blade options to cater to various job requirements. 1. Straight blade. This blade is the go-to choice for tasks involving grading and the need for deeper penetration into the earth. It excels in creating level surfaces and achieving high precision. 2. Universal blade. If the job requires carrying more material over greater distances, the universal blade is the ideal choice. Its design allows for efficient material transport, making it an excellent option for larger-scale earth-moving tasks. 3. Straight universal blade. This blade combines the features of both the straight blade and universal blade, offering versatility to handle a wide range of tasks. It's an excellent choice when the job demands both fine grading and efficient material transport. 4. Coal universal blade. Specifically designed for handling large volumes of coal, this blade is capable of moving up to 74.9 cubic meters of coal at a time. Its unique design is tailored to the demands of the mining industry. In addition to the various blade options, the D11 series can be equipped with groundbreaking attachments in the form of single-shank or multi-shank rippers. These attachments are invaluable for breaking up compacted soil, rocky terrain, or any challenging surfaces, ensuring the machine's adaptability to a wide range of earth-moving tasks. With these diverse blade and attachment choices, Caterpillar's D11 series is truly a versatile workhorse in the world of construction and mining.
From the very first cut to the final grading, the D4K sets the standard for quality. In 2004, Caterpillar was leading the pack, raking in over $30 billion in sales revenue and securing a prominent spot in construction and mining equipment manufacturing. They had their hands in three key areas: machinery, engines, and financial products. However, their approach was a bit rigid and cautious. The Caterpillar's manufacturing starts with a lot of planning and hard work. Let's break it down. Design and development. Skilled engineers and designers team up with product specialists to create new dozer models or improve the existing ones. They listen to what customers have to say, keep an eye on the latest technology, and make sure everything is safe and good for the environment. Prototypes and testing. Once they have a plan, they build prototypes of the dozers. These prototypes go through some serious testing, both in the lab and out in the real world. All this testing gives the engineers a lot of data to make the dozers work even better. Quality control. Caterpillar works closely with its suppliers to make sure they get top quality parts on time. They use stuff like steel, metal alloys, rubber, and other special parts. They process these materials in different ways, like cutting and welding, to make the dozer pieces. Assembly. All these pieces come together like a puzzle. Skilled technicians and assembly line workers put them together to make a complete dozer. They keep checking everything along the way to make sure it's just right. Testing and final checks. Before a dozer leaves the factory, it goes through a bunch of tests. They want to be sure it works well, is safe, and meets all the rules. These tests check how it performs, how safe it is, and if it's good for the environment. As for where all this happens, Caterpillar's got some key spots.
The modern Caterpillar D11 is a heavyweight in the construction and earth-moving world, tipping the scales at a substantial 229,800 pounds, that is 104,236 kilograms. Its significant dimensions, including a length of 35.8 feet with blade and ripper, a width over tracks of 10.4 feet, and a towering height of 14.9 feet, ensure it remains stable even when navigating challenging terrains such as mud and snow.
Caterpillar's manufacturing facilities have been strategically placed across various continents and regions, enabling them to effectively serve local markets with their top-notch equipment and engines. These factories are not just ordinary production facilities. They're equipped with cutting-edge technology, employing advanced manufacturing processes that represent the pinnacle of industry standards. Complementing these technologies are Caterpillar's skilled and experienced workers, who are instrumental in producing top-notch equipment and engines. Their main headquarters is in Peoria, Illinois, which is the main place for research and design. They also have factories in Aurora, Decatur, and even as far as Brazil. By spreading their manufacturing hubs across the globe, Caterpillar can better respond to the unique demands of different markets. For instance, the machinery needed for construction projects in North America might vary in specifications from what's required in Asia or Europe. This decentralization of production allows them to customize their products, ensuring they perfectly match the needs of local customers. These places crank out all sorts of dozers and other heavy machinery for people all around the world. In a world where precision, reliability, and performance are paramount, Caterpillar's commitment to technological advancement and skilled labor remains a cornerstone of their global success. By leveraging the best of both human expertise and technological innovation, Caterpillar continues to deliver the world-class equipment and engines that have made them an industry leader. Now let's take a peek at what's happening inside the Dresda Bulldozer factory. So Dresda is famous for making construction machines, especially bulldozers and crawler dozers. They're owned by a big company called Lugong, based in China, which is a major player in construction equipment worldwide. So how do they make these dozers? First, they have smart engineers and designers who come up with new dozer designs or make the old ones better. They think about how well the dozer works, how safe it is, and what it does to the environment. Once they have a plan, they get the materials they need. They use good stuff like steel and special parts from trusted suppliers. Then they use machines to cut, bend, and weld these materials to make different parts of the dozer, like the chassis and the blade. These parts are put together into smaller groups, sort of like putting together pieces of a puzzle to make big pieces called sub-assemblies. They might include the engine, the hydraulic systems, and the dozer's tracks or wheels. After that, they clean everything really well and paint it to make sure it doesn't rust or get damaged. Then the sub-assemblies and other parts are put together to make a full working dozer. They check it a lot to make sure it's good and safe. They also check if they meet the rules and standards for construction equipment worldwide. Once the dozers pass all the tests and checks, they are ready to be sent to different places around the world. And when it comes to really huge dozers, moving them around the factory can be tricky. So they use massive cranes to help with that. Dressta sends these dozers to dealers and customers all over. They got bigger and better when Liugong bought them in 2012 and were renamed Liugong Dressta Machinery. Now they are known all over the world for making strong machines for tough jobs, from mining to laying oil and gas pipes. From the precision engineering to the careful assembly process, it's clear that these machines are more than just equipment. They are the true workhorses of modern construction and mining industries. Now we want to hear from you. What aspect of Caterpillar's dozer manufacturing impressed you the most? Do you think Caterpillar's commitment to quality and precision is evident in their final products? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and if you'd like to see more captivating content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time with more exciting content.